The prosecution theory has been shattered to pieces.
Beyond the completion.
You know why? Because the very testimonial evidence and documentary evidence presented by the prosecution have been thoroughly rebutted by, let's go to the testimonial evidence, contradictions between and among the so-called witnesses, even contradictions with the witness himself or herself. Madalit sabi, puro batay or based on hearsay, double hearsay, speculation, surmises. Yun naman sa documentary evidence, sinabi ko na kanina yon, yung the very document na prinisinta nila para ipakita yung murderous intent, saka yung tinatawag nilang community or conspiracy between the President and the PNP, sumabog din sa mukha nila kasi yung dokumentong circular na sinasabi nilang yun ang command to kill, ay lumalabas, the very document itself shows na nakalagay doon, if you have to arrest, you have to do it in accordance with law. Kaya sumabog sa mukha nila.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.